Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So lately, I've been seeing a lot of people talking about this Klondike Adventures method that supposedly gives you unlimited gems and energy. At first, I honestly didn't think much of it because there are so many videos online claiming stuff like this works, and most of the time, it ends up being fake or just a huge waste of time. But after seeing more and more Klondike Adventures players mentioning it, I got curious enough to test it myself and see what would actually happen. And honestly, if you play Klondike Adventures a lot, then you already know how quickly energy disappears when you're clearing obstacles, exploring new areas, and trying to finish events before they end. And gems are always useful when you want to speed things up or grab extra rewards. So in this video, I'm going to go through the whole process step by step, show you exactly what I tried on my account, and then at the end we'll check together if it actually worked or if it was just another fake method online. So the first thing I needed for this was my Klondike Adventures player ID. I opened the game, went into my profile section in the settings menu, and found the ID there pretty quickly. After that, I copied the ID and kept it ready because I was going to need it for the next step. Honestly, so far the whole process was super simple and only took a minute or two. After that, I opened the browser on my phone. I used Chrome, but honestly I don't think it really matters which browser you use. Then I typed in the website everyone's been talking about lately. The page loaded almost instantly, and surprisingly there weren't a bunch of annoying redirects or random pop-ups everywhere. Everything looked pretty simple and easy to understand. Once the website opened, I searched for Klondike Adventures in the game list and selected it. After that, I picked my device type. I'm using Android, but I also noticed there was an option there for iPhone users too. Then I pasted my player ID into the required field, checked one more time that everything looked correct, and continued to the next step. Honestly, up to this point, the whole process was way smoother than I expected and didn't feel complicated at all. Next, I had to select how much of the resource I wanted. Since I wanted to properly test this, I went with one of the larger amounts just to see if anything would really happen. After I confirmed it, the site started showing loading bars and different progress animations. I mean, it definitely looked convincing, but visuals alone don't really prove much. Right before finishing, there was also a short verification step, which honestly wasn't anything unusual for sites like this. I already completed that part earlier, so now it was time to check the actual results. Alright, this was definitely the part I was the most excited to see. After everything finished, I reopened Klondike Adventures and immediately checked my gems and energy balance to see if anything had actually changed. And somehow, the extra resources were already there instantly. I didn't need to restart the game, reload anything, or wait around for an update. Everything showed up right away. Honestly, that part surprised me way more than I expected. I even explored a few areas afterward and used some energy just to make sure everything was working normally. And, from what I could tell, everything seemed completely fine. So yeah, now you've seen the full test from beginning to end, and you can decide for yourself what you think about it. If you've ever tried anything similar in Klondike Adventures before, let me know in the comments how it went for you. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe because I'll probably be testing more Klondike Adventures methods and other mobile game stuff very soon. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.